Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I first quickly give the context about this video. So in this video, I'm going to cover your recent queries which I received from the Google form. Yes, recently I shared on Google form in my YouTube channel. Some of them filled your queries and questions in that form. Now I am going to address those queries. So if any one of you watching this video or my channel first time, you also ask your questions in the description Google form. So I will try to make a video for you also. So first person is Nishant. So his question is how to become a business analyst after BTech CSE, and which skill set to follow to start for this journey. Is asking basically a stepwise explanation. So Nishant, the first thing is you have a CSE background. So if you are getting job in IT services, so obviously you can quickly grasp the technical words. Also you can manage your development team and design team. If you are trying to get the job in IT services, that will be a benefit for you. After that you are asking the skill set. So first one is communication, because communication is very crucial for this role. You are going to handle multiple stakeholders, multiple team members, so you have to focus on your communication. Communication is not only about speaking English very fluently. It's about reading, writing, listening, all the things are including, so you have to focus on that. Second thing is problem solving skill. So problem solving skill, if I say, most of the people have some confusion, like what I'm going to solve any complex problems, how. So basically what I would tell you is you can improve the skill in two ways. One is, if you are working in the same domain for n number of years, obviously if your client facing any problems, you can give the solution. Or else the second way is, if you are consistently reading blogs, article, case studies from companies website like McKinsey or Deloitte. So this kind of companies, if you are following consistently and reading, at least reading daily one case studies per day, obviously the way of thinking is will improve. Also for example, if I ask you how Snapchat is earning money, like if you are just sharing your photos with your friends, right? So if you are thinking in their business point of view, you will get to know the business model. For example, Zomato, Swiggy, how those companies are earning money. Also if you're going to work in any platforms like Netflix or Sun Next. So basically, if in interview you will get this kind of scenario questions. If the retention rate is very low in Amazon Prime, how you are going to increase? How you are going to improve the retention rate? What are the tactics you will follow as a business analyst? See, you can't give the direct correct answer for those questions, but at least they will check your problem solving skills in that way. Okay, that's what I'm telling. Second skill is problem solving skill. Third is data analysis skill. So data analysis skill in the sense, you have to at least know how to, if you are getting any raw data from your team, at least you have to know how to bring the data which you want. For example, you can take a Power BI tool as an example. So in Power BI you will get multiple projects available in YouTube. Okay, so take a few YouTube tutorial videos and directly install Power BI in your system and watch the video and follow the whole tutorial. So in that videos you will learn how to clean up your raw data, how to write the formulas, how to get the graph dashboards, everything like interactive dashboards, how you can make. So while you are working in multiple projects, like 4 to 5 projects, at least you know how to use the data skills. So basically your data skill will also improve by this method. Okay, so once you've done all these things, what you can do is you have to focus on BA basic interview questions. So you can use chat GPT for that. So just a type of basic BA interview questions. Maybe in few interviews they will ask, what do you know about business analyst? You're going for a business analyst interview only, but the thing is, if you, some people can't give the basic fundamental answers for these kind of questions. Okay, so focus on basic questions, because once you work on the projects, obviously you will know a lot of things, but before that fundamentals is very important. Focus on basic interview questions. Okay, so I hope these answers are beneficial for you. So also if you have other questions, you can ask me in that same Google form. Okay. So second person is Gurnath. So basically he is asking a best business analyst course. So Gurnath, definitely I will suggest you one course, but I am telling about myself also. I didn't join any course. So how I get the job is I use ChatGPT for the basic interview questions how to write BRD, FRD, how to write use cases, what is user story. So these kind of basic questions and answers I get it from ChatGPT from online only. After that, I gave 25 to 30 company interviews. Okay, so from each company interview, I learned few things. So from there only I learned lot of things. So you are asking about my preparation document also. I didn't maintain any document. So that at particular time I was prepared for interview. That's it. So I didn't properly maintain any interview preparation document. So I'm so sorry for that. So but I will help you your question. So your question was basically business analyst course, right? So first, before you pay any amount for any particular institute, I would say go to the Perfect BA YouTube channel. That is one channel. In that channel, you can find 6 hours duration, BA duration course. Okay, watch the video from start to end. So from that video, you know how to write BRD, what is FRD, user stories, use cases, user personas, competitive analysis, everything you learn from that video itself. So it's a 6 hours course. Take 2 days time. First complete that course. After that, if you still desperate about the certification part, I would give some certification link below. So just enroll and learn the basics and you will get the certificate from that website. Okay, I think there is 3 links is there. I will add those links in the description. Just check that. Also see, once you complete those things and you are applying for the job but you are not getting placement support or you're not getting any job opportunity, first 6 months do this. Okay, first 6 months what you can do is take 1 month time for all the preparation. Once you complete, apply for the job for next 5 months. Still you are not getting job, say at least daily you have to apply 10 companies. Like morning 2 hours you have to sit LinkedIn and all the job platforms, and evening also daily 1 hour you have to sit for applying the job. If you are doing this for consistently 4 to 5 months, still you are not getting the job, then what you can do is I'm not asking you to go and join upgrade a Masai school or any top education schools and pay 1 lakh 1.5 lakhs for this course. I won't do that because some of the people are getting job from there, some of the people are not getting. It depends upon us. Okay, so instead of what you can do is if you are in Chennai or Coimbatore, if you are in any state, just type use a Google and go and type BA related courses in Chennai or Coimbatore or somewhere. Okay, in your own city you can find some institutions. Go and talk to the institution. Is there any person get a job from your institution? How much salary he got? How much fees for that? Negotiate with them. So once you do that, you will get to know about the institute. Then you can take that course. Okay. Before that, don't waste your money. Basically, that's what I'm trying to tell you. So next person is Thirumagal Raj. What he is asking is there any certification course has to be done to be selected as a business analyst fresher? So it's not mandatory to do certificates or any courses for this role, but basic and fundamental knowledge is very important for this role. So you can also watch that video. If you want certificate, you can also enroll the below courses and get the certifications. Also, you ask one more question: which company have good scope as well as salary package for business analyst fresher? See, I can tell you the company name like Zogo, Freshwork, or any product and any service related companies, but those companies will ask experience. So okay, so for experience, how you can get the experience is you can get the job from startups. Even though if you are getting a job in unknown company, so what I would say is initially don't focus about companies. If you are getting job any unknown companies, go and take the job. Once you gain 1 or 2 years experience, after that you can move your you can jump into any product or service good companies. Okay, so also don't focus about CTC also. So as a fresher you will get an intern job only. If you are getting intern, some of the companies are not ready to pay for intern. If they are ready to pay, they will pay like monthly 10,000 or 15,000 stipend. Maybe if you are going to Bangalore or any Pune or somewhere, people there ready to pay more than 20,000 or something as an intern initial level. Once you permanent in that particular company, then you will get a minimum 5 LPA or 4.5 LPA. That is the minimum salary for this fresher in this role. So initially, don't worry about company and CTC. So our next person is Santosh Kumar. So his question is, he's from BSc Mathematics background. He is working in non-IT sector insurance company as a business analyst officer. Also, he want to change his career to IT sector, and he's interested in finance sector also. So if you are focusing on IT services and solutions company, then whatever things I mentioned in this video, just follow that. Or else in my previous videos also, I explained you what are the things you have to follow. That is more than enough. Okay, but if you are specifically targeting finance sector, what I would recommend you is you have to completely have some basic knowledge about finance sectors. You have to, if possible, do some courses related finance, their process, their modeling, like financial modeling. Lot of things you have to do. At the same time, if you're applying for the job also, maybe banking sector, investment firms, you have to pitch those kind of companies. Also, what I would recommend you is you just connect with LinkedIn business analysts who are already working in finance sector. So you will see some things are basically following like communication skill, documentation, data analytics. These things are common. Okay, at the same time, what extra things are they doing, or what you have to learn from them? So at least if you are reaching 10 to 20 people on LinkedIn, at least someone will open the door and someone will help you. Okay, so this is what I can tell you now. Okay, so next person is Pranit. So his question is how to get BA related jobs. In my last 3 months, in my previous videos also, I was talking about that only. If you are just watching those videos, and if you are watching this video also, you will get to know how to become a business analyst. Okay, so for that question I can give that answer only. Also, I saw your resume and I'm just wondering about your profile also, because you are studying third year right now. If I'm not wrong, you are studying BEC department third year. Next year only you are going to pass out 2025. But right now you are worrying about your career and you are concerning about that also, because when I was studying BE, after I passed out my college, then only I choose my job, everything. But in third year itself, you are starting and looking for the job. Really, I appreciate your efforts, and I also saw your resume. You have mentioned lot of things in your resume, so maybe I can give some corrections. Okay, so in your resume, when I saw in contact part, like under your photo, you mentioned biodata, right? In the biodata, you don't need to mention your like a whole address or your age, date of birth. You don't need to mention. This is for everyone also. You guys don't need to mention your whole address. Like if you are staying in Chennai or Coimbatore, Chennai, India, that's enough. Okay, you don't need to give your whole address, everything. At the same time, if you have 5+ years experience, then you can make a 2+ page resumes. Okay, if you have under 5 years experience, try to cover all the things in a single page. Okay, so as a HR or recruiter, they don't take that much time to look your resume. They maximum they will take 7 to 8 seconds only. Within that time you have to attract them. So you have to focus on the alignment part, Pranit. So for that I am attaching my resume in this video. Take a reference. Okay, build your resume in like that only. Cover all the things in a single page if possible. If not possible, then try to 2 page. Also, right now don't worry about focus about job. Right now just focus about projects. If you try to get a intern opportunity, take that. Once you cover these things, obviously you will get a nice job. Okay, so all the best, Pranit. So guys, in this video I can cover this much. In my next video I will cover your rest of your questions. So meanwhile, if you have any queries or any questions, you can ask in the comment section. I will try to address that. Also, thanks for your support and patience. So if you like my video, if my answer is satisfied you, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.